Scraping.
What's going on over there? I thought that was already clean.
Yeah, the gasket was still on there from 1,000 years ago, so I had to clean it up.
Oh, he didn't know what the gasket scraper was again.
Yep.
Look at that nice filthy workbench over there now.
Yep. Check that out.
It's not even covered with beer yet.
Yeah, that'll clean it up a little.
There you go. So all of that you thought we were going to put reuse?
Nope. I was waiting for that scraper to come out.
Oh, that's what it was all about.
Yep, that scraper.
All right. Put tool back. Tools go back after you're done with them. So we can work on our motor again. See if we can get the oil pump up in there. I had an oil pump once, it disappeared again. So while you're screwing with that one, I cleaned this a few days ago. It was all rusty underneath here, so I blasted it clean. So it all scraped clean. So I got my part job done a while ago. Hey, I need my pump back. Where's it at?
Right here.
That pump. Ooh, there it is. I need it over here. I don't want that. I want the pump. There you go. You're supposed to be working the camera.
There we go.
Here's that snap ring's all screwed up in there. Who put that in there?
Not me.
Look how far that thing's opened up.
It's open way too much.
Look how loose it is on there. That's a failure waiting to happen. See, if that was a big twin, that would line up like that. The key would fall out. And you lose all the oil pressure in your bike. But see, a Sportster, you can't do that because it has a cover plate that goes over it. Right there. It can't fall out. I may open a new one in there just to be different. Just because it's your bike. It's special, yeah, that's it.
Sure is special.
Look how round that was. I've thrown keys way better than that.
Whoosh.
It appears there's another gasket in here. Somebody didn't get that one either.
A wild gasket appeared.
With my scraper. And my other scraper. That's the one you don't use.
I don't want to go near that one.
See how that works?
Because it'd also take off one of my fingers.
I'd take off one of your fingers if I caught you using it. That wasn't a joke.
Yeah, that's why I'd never use that thing.
This is a solid carbide scraper. Super clear scraper.
A super scraper.
That's right. Crapper, super crapper.
Uber crapper.
Oh, gear fell out. Come out. Big piece of crap in there.
There we go.
You get a ball in there.
Mm-hmm.
Check spring, everything. Might even be clean. But you blow the crap out of it. What about that seal? Appears to be relatively hard.
Should we scrape the gasket off that other side?
Seal doesn't do much. There's low sealing action going on that seal.
No sealing action?
Very low sealing action. But being a Sportster, they actually put it in correctly. See, the pressure side works correctly, so the non-pressure side. It's amazing how most times Sportster stuff's done right and big twins are not. I almost lost that. Appears you didn't clean it very well either. There's oil coming out of it. See all that oil?
I didn't take it all the way apart.
I can tell. If you're going to do a race bike, you cut that double hole out, make a big oval in there. Get some high flow.
But we don't need to do that on this bike.
Nope, we're not doing it. It's the next guy. Haven't lost that key yet. Where's the rest of it?
No, you took it.
Took it.
Did you put it up over there? On there?
Hit it. I hit it from you.
Yeah.
Well, we could use this one if you wanted to. You can be cheap. You can put a new one in there.
Let's put in, if we have one, let's put it in there. We got one over here.
Not if I take it.
Do I get a discount?
No. Look at that mess. Appears to be stuck on there pretty good. It's got a super scraper, scrapes it cleaner.
Yep. Sure is scraping its life away.
Yep. Flat. Except for all that rust. The roll pinner's half beat to hell. It'll work. Did you get this cycling?
Yeah.
Kind of.
Blow it out.
Did they give you a snap ring in that kit?
No.
See, the big twin, they give you a snap ring.
It's rude.
Foresters don't give you anything.
No snap ring.
Nothing at all. I'm going to clean up the wood area here. Somebody made a mess. Okay, which gasket you want to use?
The correct one.
Which is which one?
I can't tell from here.
They give you no keys, no nothing. Give you a crappy seal. Probably didn't put it in right. Is it in there yet?
Nope.
Here?
Yep.
Seal install tool. Some people say they don't have a press. They own a hammer and a socket. 7/16 deep well works real good.
There you go.
See, you don't have to have fancy tools.
Oh, there you go. Even Steven.
Now you gotta make sure it's all the way down. It's pushed against the metal. So that means the seal is below the surface where it belongs. What's this?
8,000 different gaskets.
Pick the ones you want to use.
I don't know which ones to use.
Good ones. Here, I'll help you. We're going to use this one. How about the other ones?
I don't know.
How many are in there?
5.
Damn. Which ones are you going to use?
Probably not this one,
Why?
because that one is. Oh wait,
Does it have a slot?
Yep, and it doesn't fit.
Right where the two holes go?
Yep. So we'll probably use.
slot right where the 2 holes go. That was your first clue. Was the right one. Slot
But
where the 2 holes go.
look at that garbage. What's going on there?
Don't worry about that.
All right.
Where's your other one?
I don't know. This one?
I don't know. Does it fit?
Let's have a look.
They all fit. They all fit Sportsters.
I don't know.
But there's differences.
One does not fit.
What's the difference?
Hole positions?
Ooh, that too. No hole. No hole.
Mm-hmm.
What's the difference?
The shape of that inner one.
Big gear, small gear.
Mm-hmm.
Big gear. See, big gear. Small gear. See how it overlaps?
Yep.
Small gear. Big gear. Big gear. What's these ones?
Small gear.
See, they know you're going to screw this one up, so they give you 2 of them. And so they both have small gear. Also, if you notice, they don't have the double hole. See?
Mm-hmm.
If you flip that over, because it goes on this side, you would see that.
Yep.
And if you slotted that out, you would have a slot. It'd be high performance. This one here, see, it would block it off a little bit.
Yeah, that's not good.
And it has small little gear, so it might get jammed up in the gear teeth. So these are wrong.
Wrong.
All you do is figure it out. Wasn't that hard.
Nope.
Open your eyeballs up. Sometimes they help, sometimes they don't. Okay, the cover has no holes in it, see?
Mm-hmm.
So that's the cover side. This has lots of holes in it, so it's this side. This one has a round hole, and where does it go?
Goes on the other side. No, it goes on top.
It goes on
Right
this side,
there.
because it has 1 hole. You see double holes over there, so it goes on like this. And then you notice all the shape and stuff lines up, and all the holes line up. Except for that hole there. See that hole?
Mm-hmm.
There's no hole there. I don't know why they put that there. There's never a hole there. Maybe on a K-model for the first 2 years, and maybe there's a hole there. Alright, then you check your holes and make sure they line up. Notice how the holes kind of all sort of maybe almost line up.
Yep.
That means it's close enough. Alright. So, you got that all figured out?
Yep.
Good. Where's your clip?
We haven't gotten one yet.
Why not?
Because we've been talking about gaskets.
You didn't get no clip? You got no oil pump clip?
No oil pump clip. Might be one in this box though.
Probably not. It's a piston clip though. Some batteries. Bunch of dowel pins. Nope, no clip. You have to go to your oil pump drawer and get a clip.